Guys, we're out here with the one and only Cade Lancor.
What's up?
Same spot we caught those 80 or so walleye the other night. There's another guy up here muskie fishing right now, but we're gonna start muskie fishing for a while, and then we're gonna move into that spot, hopefully get a bunch of walleye. But I'm throwing a big perch swim bait. Cade's throwing a big tube, and a lot of guys have been catching muskie up here, so I think we got a good shot at it today. There's some big ones in here. Get up to well over 50, so that'd be insane. But till then, stay tuned. Oh, I think I got rocked. No, must have hit a rock. Till then, stay tuned, and we'll see you with some fish. All right, guys, so what we're doing right now, we're fishing all this rock and this whole shoreline, and I'm caught in a tree. But these muskie, they'll get all over on this shoreline and just feed on bait and small walleye and anything they can eat this time of year because they're getting ready for winter. So I think we'll get one, in my opinion. I hope Cade gets one. You've never caught a muskie?
Never.
That would be insane if you catch like a 45 your first one.
That'd be fun.
Would be. You'll, like, I was freaking out before too, but you'll really feel it. Like, you'll know. All right, guys, that guy is leaving, so we're gonna finish fishing the shoreline and we're getting in there, get some walleye. Goddamn current. You got a nice one? It's a little better.
Decent.
Decent. I got one too.
Good day. Oh.
Double. Oh!
Almost double up on him. This is bigger than my last one.
Yep. We are on them, y'all. Got what? Probably
I've got
10 already?
Yeah.
Got right around 10 walleye already. We got to get Cade a muskie before the day ends too.
Yes, sir.
Well, we almost doubled up. I screwed up.
Hey, we need another picture. That's my biggest one.
Bruh.
Look at it fan out for me. Oh my god. Oh,
This one's better.
actually not that big.
No, it's not. This one just fought hard.
That's a fuck. I saw it.
That's not big.
Yeah, it is. That's a nice
That's the
one.
best one yet.
Yeah. I thought it was. When
Oh, I got another one.
You want me to get it?
Oh.
That's so fucking funny. That's a nice one. You want a picture of it?
Sure. You can just use yours.
I don't have it on me.
Oh, you don't? Number 48. Yeah, I got 5. What do you got?
4 and 1 behind you.
Good, we got 9. Let's keep track today.
shotgun back here next time. We're blasting fuckers. Second they fly out.
Whoa.
Dove for dinner, baby. Bitch. Constant tankers. We're hammering them harder than you guys did.
No, not yet. Probably will though.
Here's kid. This is my spot.
Dude, for my guiding service, I'm not even making you pay. I don't want to hear it.
You motherfucker.
Oh. No.
I would have lost. I would have been like, you know what's tragic that do? Just I did that to a frog this summer after fish.
Oh.
Give me anxiety. Jesus Christ, why is it so hot?
It ate my jig. It ate my jig on the bottom. We got a muskie, y'all. Oh,
Holy shit,
that's a good one. Here,
You want to measure him?
he's probably only like 36. He's gnarly looking.
You pulled that thing up, I was like, what the fuck? It's got the fucking pliers on it. Probably should get on
Here.
that.
You can set it down.
Oh shit, wait. Alright, ready?
Yep. All right, guys. Release on probably 36, 37 inch muskie. Caught it on a jig and a minnow. You were ready. You were ready to go. But yeah, I was just jigging for walleye, and this guy came up and took my jig. I thought I was snagged, didn't you?
Yeah.
I kept bringing it up and up and up, and I saw a big mouth, and I thought it was a walleye, so I freaked out. But this is a good fish. It's a fat one. There you go. There we go, baby! Yeah! Well, guys, as you saw by the last video, nice 36, 37 inch muskie. Great net job by the Cade Lancor.
Oh yeah.
And I caught that. I couldn't believe I set the hook, and I did not expect that to come up whatsoever. Jigging on the bottom for walleye with a minnow. I could not believe when I saw that mouth. I was like, there's no way. Oh, dude, you netted it with the pliers in there, didn't you? I forgot they were in there.
Yeah, that would have been tough if we lost the pliers there.
Yeah. There's another good fish, I think. Not like that, but never mind. God, they fight so hard. Yeah, I thought I was moving a log, honestly.
It looked like it when you were fighting. I'm like, what the hell is that?
It was weird. I can't believe it didn't even move. All right, guys. Cade and I are still out here. We caught probably, what, 30 walleye?
I'd say at least
30, and then I was jigging for that muskie you guys just saw, and, well, I wasn't jigging for the muskie, but I caught that muskie jigging, and Cade's loving it right now. He loves it.
a lot of fun.
But we are going to go cast for some muskie right now. It's starting to get dark, as you guys can see, and I'll hopefully be back with you with a big one, so stay tuned. All right, guys, maybe only maybe the muskie only like the jigs today.
Yeah.
Right, kid?
Yeah.
We didn't catch one on that run through, so we're tied back up and we're gonna jig a little bit more.
Yep.
Either that or kid's gonna sit on his phone the whole time like he has been.
I have not. I need a break.
Got one? Cade's hooked up. Absolute tank.
Fucking tank right there. That's how big the fucking one I'm entering looks.
Yeah.
That's how big it is, but it's actually not bad. It's blowing up. It's probably got 12 lights right now. Should I throw it at him?
No.
Should I throw it at the wall?
No.
I thought you said kind of.
No. God, look at that.
Shit all over you.
Probably.
Actually,
Probably.
that's fun. Yell it.
No.
Oh, no. He still teaches, doesn't he?
Yeah.
We're 13 now. What are you at?
Like 20 something. You don't have 13. You're trash, dude. You guys, I literally am not recording any of the good fish we're catching. Cade's got one laying in the bottom of the boat. This is a nice, probably 20, 25 I'd give it, walleye.
You shit everywhere.
Yeah, that's a mess. Oh, no. But, yeah, I was just jigging like normal. It's a good one. It's a good Wally Walter. I'm gonna need a picture of that one, believe it or not. You know, get the phone out of my pocket. But there we go, guys. Beauty. Probably nice. I'm gonna give it, I'll say 24. I'll measure it after Cade gets this picture here. And let you guys know how big it is. But I'll give it 24-ish probably. I'm gonna be pretty close with that guess. 23 and a half. 23 and a half on the old Wally Walter, baby. All right, guys, release on the nice 23 and a half inch walleye. There she goes. And that's a good one, baby. No.
You need to start recording it, right? Once you feel the hook set, like, just leave it in the water for a little bit, turn it on, and
Yeah.
press it. Like, that's what you gotta do.
What you got, Cade?
I think we got one on here.
Oh, we got one on.
Absolute tank, baby.
That's number probably like 45-ish.
Yeah, I'd say about. Whoop, there goes the middle.
But what's been the technique? What are we doing down there?
So basically, I'll demonstrate here on this walleye. So before we were hooking through the bottom of the mouth and out top of the head, switch that up. Now we're going through the middle of the body, and it's been working out so far. See if it keeps going.
Yup. Get that beautiful release. Oh. Is that a good one?
It's a little better than the other one.
All right, I'll be ready if you need the net.
Oh no.
Oh no. They fight pretty hard though.
And there goes the middle.
That's definitely a better quality than we've had all day though. It's probably like a 14-incher about.
Yeah, not bad. A little bit of a spaz, but.
Yup. But we're out here on the Wisconsin River having a blast.
Oh yeah.
Nice walleye,
absolutely
nice
fine.
muskie. Wish I could have got Cade a nice walleye or a nice muskie. We'll see. We got time yet. He might get a bigger one.
Hey, you never know. Let's get this release.
Yeah, let's get an actual release, huh? Oh, how majestic.
Beautiful.
How's that one feel?
Pretty good again.
Cade's on again. They're getting up there in quality. They're moving up. That's probably about a 14 or 15. But during the fall, guys, like, look at. I just lost my minnow again. There are fish everywhere in here in the fall. I had 5 dozen minnows at the start of the day. We got about a dozen and a half left, I'd say. That's how many fish we've been catching and missing. But that muskie was fun. Nice walleye was fun. And Cade can't get the hook out. And he's got to retie. Alright guys, Cade's got the last fish of the night on, and it's about a 12-inch walleye.
Not bad.
So tonight we got a 23 and a half, about probably 50 walleye in total. And then I also got that 36, 37-inch muskie. So it was a blast. We're gonna head out right now. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, thumbnail. Like, subscribe, and comment. We love you guys. We're gonna keep on the grind, and peace.
Peace.